P. Chidambaram, the incumbent Home Minister, now moves out. He takes the finance portfolio rather close to his heart. Sushil Kumar Shinde, elevation of sorts from Power Minister. Our viewers, of course, would know that 21 states in abject darkness right now, but Sushil Kumar Shinde has been given a promotion from the Power Ministry. He is now the Home Minister, and Veerappa Moily, who was demoted earlier from the Law Ministry post to Corporate Affairs, now goes on to hold the Power portfolio.
On November 30, 2008, when he was appointed the Union Home Minister, the Indian economy was faced with an unprecedented situation of a global financial meltdown which threatened to shatter the growth story and ultimately proved wrong the grand theory of decoupling. As he prepares to come back to North Block, this darling of India Inc. has a number of stiff challenges to overcome. First and foremost, tackle the lack of fiscal credibility that the budget numbers for the current fiscal have been exposed to. This year too began with tall promises by the Finance Ministry, but unrelenting crude prices, the Eurozone crisis, the devaluation of the rupee and the general lack of directional reforms has fed the impression that India has lost the plot. It is this task of containing expenditure, raising taxes and moving ahead with financial sector reforms that the market will look forward to from Chidambaram. And it's here that he will be assisted by new Economic Affairs Secretary Arvind Mayaram, who takes over on the 1st of August. This should then be followed up by a new Chief Economic Advisor in a few weeks to replace Kaushik Basu, whose tenure ends today. This apart, Chidambaram could well take a cue from Prime Minister Manmohan Singh, who in the recent past has relied heavily on tax guru Parthasarathy Shome to try and unravel the taxation mess created by Budget 2012-13. Sources suggest that Shome's external role as the head of a review panel looking into virtually all major tax issues of the budget could hark back to his previous role as the advisor to Chidambaram in his previous stint at North Block. That apart, there are several other major initiatives that the new FM will have to sign off on. These include the Infrastructure Debt Fund norms, the details of the Rajiv Gandhi Equity Investor Scheme and the proposal to provide a bailout to state-owned power distribution companies. Also, an ongoing plan to revitalize the mutual fund sector and lending weight to foreign direct investment proposals in the civil aviation and multi-brand retail sector are also crucial. Within the next 45 days or so, Chidambaram will have to attend the annual meeting of the International Monetary Fund as well as take a call on how best to utilize the legacy structure of the Financial Stability Development Council. Repairing relations with Mint Street and other regulators, clearing the pending appointment of a new chief of the UTI Mutual Fund, senior executives of public sector banks will be part of the huge list of files in his box. As those who know him say, the Finance Minister and his new team will hit the ground running with a whip and a whistle in hand.
गृह मंत्रालय जैसा मंत्रालय कभी दलित लोगों को, दलित वर्गों को नहीं मिलता है, लेकिन पहली बार भारत का गृह मंत्री दलित वर्गीयों को बूटा सिंह जी के जरिए राजीव गांधी जी ने दिया था और दूसरा दलित वर्गीय गृह मंत्री सोनिया गांधी जी के नेतृत्व में डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह जी ने हमारे को दे दिया है। तो गांधी फैमिली कभी भी दलित, आदिवासी और अल्पसंख्यक लोगों को, बैकवर्ड क्लास लोगों को कभी नहीं भूलती है। मुझे लगता है कि प्रधानमंत्री ने ये सोच के ही हमारे चिदम्बरम साहब को भी यहाँ रखा था। उन्होंने जो शुरुआत की है अच्छी तरह से, मैं अभी उसी स्टेप में आगे चलूंगा जो कि यहाँ शांति मिल जाए। ये कोई नई बात नहीं है नक्सलवाद की, मैं तो कहीं 20-25 साल से देखते आ रहा हूँ। इसकी शुरुआत तो 1960-65 से हो गई है, तो तभी से ये चलते आ गया है। उसमें कई रीजंस है, सोशल रीजंस है, उनके अपलिफ्टमेंट, सोशल अपलिफ्टमेंट की रीजंस है, उनके खाने का है, सब फूड का है, रहने का है। तो एक ही नहीं है, वो अलग अलग राज्यों में अलग अलग प्रॉब्लम होते हैं, वो डिटेल में देखना पड़ेगा। At the moment, I have nothing in my mind, you see, to have some view on this. I am open-minded, so I will have to discuss with my all colleagues and the government, and then I will have to come to the conclusion.